Hi, this is Kevin Cook from BrainSell Technologies with another CRM 101 video. Today we're going to talk about personalizing your Sugar View and using dashlets. You can personalize your Sugar View by changing the menu items at the top of the page. This menu strip is where you're going to see all of the main modules where you're going to do your work. You may not want to see the meetings module. You may not care about projects. You can get rid of that in the menu strip. Also, in the dashboard view, you can change what the dashboards look like. I'm moving around this box called a dashlet, and you have the ability to create multiple dashboards with various dashlets. If you want to change what your menu looks like, you go to your avatar in the upper right-hand corner and select your profile. When you're looking at this edit screen, you're going to have multiple tabs. Select the Advanced tab, and you're going to be able to see the modules that are available in your navigation bar. Right now, all the modules are visible, but let's say that I want to hide the emails module and my projects and others. Once you've made all the changes you need to make, hit the Save button to see the changes you just made. Let's go back to our home page and look at the dashboard and dashlets. This is the main dashboard. Now you can see here that I've got a few graphical dashlets and I've got a few tabular dashlets. There are other kinds of dashlets as well that you can take advantage of, but most of the time you're going to be working with charts or tables. Now you don't have to have just one dashboard either. There are multiple dashboards that you can create. In fact, this guy's got his main dashboard and then his personal dashboard. Let's make a quick change to the personal dashboard because you can see there's some empty white space here and he'd like to populate that. You move to the upper right-hand corner, click the down arrow next to the Create button and hit Edit. Notice that this Add a Row appeared here in the blank space. And now I can start adding dashlets. Let's say I want to add a list view of all my accounts. But I don't care about this filter my accounts. I want to get everybody's account, so I'm going to remove the filter. Maybe I'll change the title, and I'll save this. So I just made some changes to my dashboard. I'm going to save it. And now I've got two great dashboards, my main dashboard and my custom dashboard, that give me just the right kinds of information that I need. I'd like to show you a little bit more about using dashlets, and to do that, I'm going to go into the Accounts module. On almost every module list view, you've got a right-hand info pane where you can put other dashlets. I'm going to create a new dashboard for this info pane, and this one is going to be a list of all my opportunities. And add that to this right-hand info pane. I don't like just seeing one item, so I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to display 20 rows instead. Now when I save it, oops, it'll remind me. I'll have just that extra little piece of information that I need. You can add multiple dashlets here, just like you did on the home page, simply by selecting the Edit button and adding your next dashlet. Now, finally, I'm going to show you one particular record here. Now, what's really cool here is that when you're adding a record level dashlet, the dashlet can be context sensitive. And what does that mean? That means that the dashlet is going to send you information about the main record. So for this dashlet, I'm seeing the calls that I've had with Sarah Clark. I can see existing relationships I have with Sarah Clark. So I hope this has been helpful, that you've seen a little bit more about how you can personalize your Sugar view and how you can take advantage of Sugar Dashlets to give you all the information that you need right at hand. This is Kevin Cook from BrainSell Technologies with another CRM 101 video.